breakfast time in Paris. So good. Croissant, my favorite.
但是我有一个问题啊，就是我们的那个就是 manager 他不太想露。
See visible the perfume. So you create a jewelry, but inside the jewelry you have some ceramic product, and it's permit when you wear it, when you move, when you dance, when you walk, they diffuse the perfume all the time.
It diffuses.
Yes. That's why it's very nice. And yes, it's a little bit amazing because we are only.
A little bit amazing.
Yes, and something a little bit, precious. And inside you have, when I buy it, you have different ceramic inside. So it depends on what your look. If you have on the.
You can change the aroma.
Yes, exactly. So that's why it's very amazing.
For example, what do you?
Yes.
What is the perfume?
Inside you have ceramic. This is the ring. You have the harmony of a little bit ethnic, this one. And
But
this
you put liquid inside or?
no, liquid. It's a ceramic. It's a like I can show you.
It's kind of solid.
Yes, solid. Or when you discover the different perfume, you have a ceramic also because the ceramic permit to diffuse the perfume and to have the real perfume when it was created. Because when you try on the paper, you have just a few notes. The 5 or 2 seconds is not the note that they stay on the skin, and the ceramic permit to have keep it longer. That's why it's.
So fancy.
Yes,
Older will last longer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you have many kinds of this collection, and
So in the earring too?
yes, earring.
现在我们来到的是协和广场，有个大喷泉，特别漂亮，有没有？
没有，才转圈啊，是一样的人，真的。谁理你了？没有人理你。48秒了，没有人理你。
这个算吗？他们好吃。Nobody wants to wave. What's up with that? All right, fine. 好吧。